What if I told you unlocking business success is just one IT support call away? Imagine this, a world where tech issues are handled seamlessly, and you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. With M4siz, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. Our expert IT support team takes care of all your tech needs, freeing up your time and energy. Say goodbye to endless hours, troubleshooting, and hello to more productivity and personal enjoyment. From network security to system maintenance, M4siz covers it all. We ensure your operations run smoothly so you can concentrate on driving success. Investing in top-notch IT support isn't just a smart move, it's the key to unlocking time, freedom, and business growth. Don't miss out on this game changer. Reach out to M4siz now at m4siz.com or connect with us on social media. Together, let's revolutionize your business experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who could benefit. If you found this video helpful, like and share with others who could benefit. Be cool with M4siz or #it support, #business growth, #tech experts, #business success, #time freedom, #IT investments.